Hey everyone, welcome back to a new Kitchen of 9 episode. After so many requests, you guys convinced me no traveling, the restaurants are still closed. I bring cultures into my kitchen. Today my kitchen is not a big one and fully equipped, but all great ideas. Start little. Look at Steve Jobs. He started in the garage, so who knows? And for those who don't know me yet, I'm Christine Schroot, aka Miss 9, where I compose, produce and perform music at clubs, festivals, and I'm also active in the fashion and in the creative worlds, creating concepts for brands. And for somebody like me who is flying around and wants to take on challenges, time is very precious, so we're gonna start right away. I like to enjoy good food. It doesn't take hours to prepare and hours to cook a good meal. I did grocery shopping. I don't like to go every day, as I said, time. I bought a couple of things. Proteins are very important. Everybody knows what proteins are. Fish, meat, eggs, and the first thing is check the date. Whatever has to go first, you make first. I can decide between tuna and cookies. I'm gonna go for the cookies. It's something light. Proteins, we got that. Carbs, I like to go easy. Rice, pasta, or potatoes, depends on the time. So I'm gonna go for some rice. I always talk about colors. Colors bring life and also good energy. I am a big fan of Asia. I bought pak soy, mini pak soy, normal pak soy, and I have some, Fenkel left in the fridge. I'm gonna use that and do a mix with this together. Did I forget anything? Yes, seasoning. I'll just use water, oil, salt and pepper. I got that here. Let's get right to it. The first thing, put your hair together because you want no surprises in your food. And important as well, use cutting boards. What takes the longest is the rice. As you can see, my hair is still a little bit wet. Before I went into the shower, I put some rice into the pan and cooked it for like a few minutes. That one is taken care. First thing, I'm gonna take out the cookies and let them sit for room temperature. Vegetables, I cut them easily and cook them really quick. I think what takes the longest is the fennel. Use some good olive oil. Put the fire on. Use a little bit of salt and pepper. Make sure to keep your kitchen clean. Depends on how crunchy you want the vegetables. I just leave them in for like a minute with salt, pepper and oil. Then I put the pak soy in it because pak soy doesn't need long to cook. And then basically I'm off to the proteins, the fish. And today we have cookies. Stay hydrated. I like to cook with some water. I like my vegetables crunchy and they don't stay in for too long. So these are the cookies. They are from Canada. Today we bring Canada into my kitchen. The structure is, well, I wouldn't say juicy. It has some structure. Don't cook them for too long. Fry them on the outside in oil and then mix everything together. And in the meantime, I will come up with a name for the dish. Basically, the vegetables are done like this. I'll let them cool off in here. What I'm gonna do now is oil for the cookies. So as I mentioned right before I jumped in the shower, I cooked the rice, I saved it in this box, it's still warm, and I'm going to use that for the dish. A few more seconds and then drop it all down. So it depends how you like the cookies. If you want to have them a little bit more juicy, don't cook them too long, just fry them on each side. I'm going to do it medium, so just a few more seconds. I got the cookies. What I do now with the rice, just to get the flavor from the fish on the rice for maximum taste, I use the oil where I cooked the cookies in and mix it up. So, and now I have to work on my presentation because there I can have some help. do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the last. Sauce. Fish goes well with citrus. I don't have lemon, but I have some lime. Zap. Oh, and if you like, you can also add some more olive oil on top. In the meantime, I also had some time to think of the name, and I will call it Coquillas in the Wild. It doesn't take much time. It's healthy. It's like the lime gives it a very tropical touch. Actually, I will adjust the name for this dish. Tropical Coquillas in the Wild. They're perfect, right in the middle. And in order to make more videos, so I need your feedback. If you like it, if you want to see more and have a look into my kitchen, the Kitchen of 9, where a lot of creative things happen. So let me know in a comment if you like this one, what you do with coquillas, and if you want to see more of my kitchen adventures. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to send me your feedback, because your feedback is relevant to me to continue with this and show you more in my kitchen. This was it from the Kitchen of 9. I'm gonna enjoy this dish, and I'll catch you very soon. Bye!